Hello there, my name is Miss Moen, and today I'm going to teach you how to bring your writing to life. And one way you can do that is by adding action to your writing. So, to add action to my writing, I want to start by visualizing. And I want to write about a dog. So, in my head, I'm going to picture the scene, and I can see the dog laying on a deck. He hears a noise. He stands up, perks up his ears, and listens to the noise. He starts to move towards the noise. He jumps into a bush, and all of a sudden, the noise is gone. So, can you picture the dog in the scene that I just described? If you were the writer, what else could you describe? And what do you want your reader to know? Take a second and think about that. So now, I want to put what I pictured in my head into my writing. So I already wrote it down, and I will read it to you. So, the dog is laying on the deck. He hears a noise that startles him. He stands up with his ears perked and listens closer. He follows the noise until he finds it. He jumps into a bush, and suddenly the noise is no longer there. All right, so visualizing helped me to take the action I pictured in my head and then transfer it to my writing. Can you think of any other action that could be added to this writing? One thing that you could add is what the dog does after he jumps into the bush. You could add when he jumps out of the bush and then what he does after that. So I will read the card one more time and let you think about what else you could add to this writing. The dog is laying on the deck. He hears a noise that startles him. He stands up with his ears perked and listens closer. He follows the noise until he finds it. He jumps into a bush, and suddenly the noise is no longer there. So, did I describe it well enough that a reader could visualize what is happening? Or should I add more description? And were you able to picture the dog? So if you think I should add more description to this, go ahead and add that in yourself. So, today you learned how to add action to your writing and to bring your writing to life. So now that you know this, you are able to create your own writing that has action. So I challenge you to take something that you did today and visualize it in your head and then create a great piece of writing. Thanks for watching.